Welcome to this video introduction to a new piece of software called Trim 3D Building Designer. If you would like to design and build models using resin or plaster molds made by ScaleCast and Linka, this software is for you. London Web Software, whose website is www.londonwebsoftware.com, specializes in writing software for the modeling industry, whether it's for train sets, dolls' houses, or a collection of housing for streets that you can drive your model cars through. Our sister business, Trim, uses this and a range of other pieces of software to design models for its customers. Please go to www.trim.co.uk to see the range of designs it has made using AnyRail, Scan, and Lego software. This video will tell you how to set up everything that you need in order to use Trim 3D Building Designer. The software contains 3D images of our interpretations of all the cast pieces from the Linka and ScaleCast molds and allows you to join them together to design your building. We have built the pieces, all you have to do is move them around on the screen. In a later video, we'll show you the detail of how to use this software, but first, to entice you, let's look at a speeded up version of what it can do to help you design your perfect model building. The idea of this video is just to show you what the pieces look like and how they can be joined together. It's speeded up, so don't expect that you're going to work at this sort of speed, but it will give you a clue as to what we're trying to do with this software. There are 4 videos in this introductory series, and they're all going to go at a much slower pace than this video, and you will get a much better idea of the detail of how to do what we're showing you in this video. After you've paid PayPal for the file that you've selected, whether it's Linka or ScaleCast or stone or brick or timber or roofs, you'll be taken to a thank you page. The thank you page looks like this. The page gives you a link. Click on it and the file will download pretty quickly. The file is an input file for a software product called Sketchup. You need to download Sketchup in order to use our files, and we'll tell you how to do that. Sketchup is a 3D computer-aided design product, and a version called Sketchup Make 2015 can be downloaded free of charge from www.sketchup.com/download/all, as you can see on this slide. However, please do make sure before you click on the download link that you are downloading Sketchup Make 2015 and in the correct version for the operating system on your PC or Mac. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of difficulties. When you've downloaded and installed Sketchup, then you can open it and you'll see the start screen shown here. At the bottom right, click on Start Using SketchUp. We now want to open the file that we've purchased and downloaded. I go to File, Open, and then I navigate around my directories to find the file that I've just downloaded. I'm using the file of Linka bricks, which contains both the component pieces and the extensions in this demonstration. The component pieces are the ones that are similar to those that come out of the Linka molds, whereas the extensions are the pieces that we've created as variations of the component pieces. If you've not yet bought any of our pieces, then on our website there is a link to some free pieces that we give you so that you can try out creating a building. These pieces are free, SketchUp is free, if you've already got the right mouse then that's free, and so you have no cost in trying to create your first building. You can find the link to our free pieces on our website under the section What Do I Need to Get Started. When you load the file, you might see a screen like this one. If you own some Linka brick molds already, you'll recognize some of the pieces. As we say in the text on our website, we've created 3D images of the pieces that come out of these molds, together with some extensions, which in the case of this Linka bricks file are door pieces in different colors, door pieces that have open doors, and some brick pieces in a dark red color. These ones are cut down versions of a larger component piece, and they're there purely to help in the design of your model. You might notice that the pieces on the back row are grouped roughly as they are in the molds, with the extensions to the front. You might also notice that for the pieces out of mold B3, there are only 3 shown. This is B3. This is B3. There are only 3 molds shown. There are 6 in the actual mold that you get from Linka. That's because in the Linka physical mold, the 3 items on the left are copies of the 3 items to the right. That's very useful for producing plaster cast pieces efficiently, but it's not necessary for the computer version, because we can copy and paste as many times as we like, and that's what we're going to do. Also, you'll notice that we've grouped some pieces together that normally go together when you're building a model. Again, this is just for your convenience. The game will end one example. The files that we have contain our representations from the other molds that Linka produces, the stone, timber and roof molds. Also, we have files containing our representations of the pieces from the ScaleCast molds of stone and brick, with some dormers and windows. Now what I'd like you to do, please, is continue to our next video, where we show you how to start building your model using these pieces. The quick way to go to our next video in this series is just to click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen, then click on the image that appears.